The United States has recorded over 1,300 deaths due to COVID-19 overnight, with a total crossing 173,000, with over 5.5 million infections. While Brazil has reported more than 1,200 deaths and some 49,000 new cases in the past 24 hours. Globally, the pandemic has infected over 22.4 million people and claimed more than 787,000 lives. More in this report.
As news of vaccines being made across the world stokes hope for many, the coronavirus continues to claim thousands of lives each day. Brazil has expressed cautious optimism that the country's outbreak may be slowing down as the number of new deaths and cases reported dips after a July peak. Mexico said it will carry out phase 3 testing of the Russian coronavirus vaccine amid efforts to control the pandemic. While in the US, President Donald Trump has touted convalescent plasma as his latest coronavirus treatment.
But I've heard fantastic things about convalescent plasma, and I've heard numbers way over 50% success. And people are dying, and we should have it approved if it's good. And I'm hearing it's good. I heard from people at the FDA that it's good.
In Europe, despite reporting another post-lockdown peak in infections, French President Emmanuel Macron has ruled out reimposing national lockdown. Whereas Spain has issued orders for an outdoor smoking ban, nightclubs to shut, and a curfew on bars and restaurants to help slow the spread of COVID-19. While New Zealand reported 5 new confirmed cases as the nation battles a fresh outbreak in its biggest city of Auckland. In Australia, the second most populous state of Victoria has reported a small increase in the number of cases, raising hopes that the lockdown is yielding results.
It's too early, sadly. I know it's very frustrating, and we'd all love to know a clear blueprint every single day and we tick them off and move from one phase to another. We would love that. The notion, I'm sure Victorians would too, but the issue around the fact that this is not just wildly infectious, but it can be stubborn. It can sit there and be really difficult to extinguish or even to bring down to a much more sustainable number.
In Asia, mainland China reported 7 new imported cases with no domestic transmissions across the country. Meanwhile, South Korea has reported 288 more cases overnight.